Hello everyone, this is Atanas with LegalTrek. I hope you had a wonderful summer, and so did we. And as you can see, our regular product updates are back with some background music as well. The first feature that I'm very excited to present to you is called the Parent Matter feature. With it, we decided to give you a way to track if a certain matter or case arose from another matter or case. So as you can see, I'm in the client view and I'm going to go down to the list of matters, where you can observe a new column called the parent matter. It denotes if a certain matter is the predecessor of another. Let's say in this case we had initial negotiations for a deal with the client Computec, and those initial negotiations led to a due diligence request whose parent matter are the initial negotiations. Of course, when you click on the matter itself, you have also a reference to the parent matter here, so you can quickly navigate if you need information from the old matter by simply clicking on the link. Last but not least, of course, the place where you can add the parent matter, and not surprisingly, the edit page right here. You can select your parent matter, client, and parent matter. This feature is going to be live very soon in September 2019. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will enjoy.